hardworking teachers and my dear schoolmates. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you all are familiar with me, I am Ansa, Tabassum, a student of 8th standard, here to present a speech on the birth anniversary of Maharaja Hari Singh, the last ruler of Jammu Kashmir, who is remembered as a reformer and a true visionary. So let's begin. Maharaja Hari Singh was the last ruler of the princely state of Jammu Kashmir, who was born on September 23, 1895. His birth marked the beginning of a life that would witness immense challenges, extraordinary and a circle decision that shaped the history of his state. From a young age, he with wisdom and courage, balancing traditions with the challenging times. Maharaja Hari Singh's life leadership, vision and resilience in the face of difficult choices. Instead of just starting historical facts, you can focus on the symbolic significance of his birth, how it heralded a new era of Jammu Kashmir, how his upbringing prepared him for leadership, and the lesson we can learn from his life even today. For example, we can highlight his education, his early exposure to governance, and his role in modernizing his state. Maharaja Hari Singh's birth was not just the beginning of a life, but the state for a chapter in history, where responsibility intersected with the destiny of a region. Remembering his birth reminds us that every great leader starts as a child, and it is their choices that define their legacy. Let us take inspiration from his life and try to stand for justice, fairness in our own lives. Thank you so much and have a great day.
All of you. Today my topic is joke. टीचर, सबसे अच्छा महीना कौन सा है पढ़ाई करने के लिए? स्टूडेंट, और सितंबर। टीचर, बेवकूफ मत बनो, ऐसा कोई महीना नहीं है। स्टूडेंट, हाँ बिल्कुल, थैंक यू।
Good manners, I would like to call Alisha from class 3rd.
Topic is good manners. Get up early in the morning, take a bath daily, brush your teeth daily, cut your nails daily. Thank you.
All of you. My topic is good manners. Say please and thank you. We should respect elders. Always try to help others. Always speak the truth. Do not shawl all time. Thanks a lot.
Now I would like to call Taruba from class 7th for topic.
I am going to speak a few lines about Maharaja Hari Singh, the last ruler of Jammu and Kashmir. He was born on 23rd September 1895. Maharaja Hari Singh was a wise and brave king. He worked for the progress of his people. He supported education for all and ended untouchability and brought many reforms to the state. In 1947, when enemies tried to attack Kashmir, he signed the instrument of accession and joined Jammu and Kashmir with India. This was a very important step for our country. Maharaja Hari Singh believed in justice, unity and peace. Today we remember him for his great contribution to our nation. Let us learn from his courage and dedication to the people. Thank you and
My dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. I tell a 6th standard today's news headlines. Common man suffering due to dual power structures in J&K Congress. First time Shah Rukh Khan received national award for the film Jawan. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Tabish for poem.
Talking about my dear brothers and sisters, good morning to all of you. Myself, Amita Batul from class 2nd. Today my topic is poem. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school. Thanks for nice day.
For poem, I would like
Morning to love you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Monkey on the mango tree, dropping mango tree. Thank you.
second for poem.
खाने में बड़ा रसीला, चूसो खाओ ताजा, हम सब
Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that doesn't like, that doesn't. I conclude today's morning assembly. Thank you and have a nice day.